Saseni, karibuni sana kwenye video yetu ya leo. Leo tutaendelea kusoma juu ya operators in C program. Tutaangazia juu ya assignment operators. Last video tulisoma juu ya logical operators in C program. Katika ofisi kuna kuanga na department tofauti tofauti na kuna kuanga na ule mkubwa wa department ama mkubwa wa project anaitwa project manager. Project manager akipatiwa ile project anaidivide into task. Anapatia watu tofauti, kazi yako ni hii, kwa una deal na mambo ya research unapewa kazi yako, mwingine anaenda kutafuta findings huko nje. Hivyo unagawanisha ile kazi. Hiyo process ya kugawanisha kazi ndio inaitwa to assign, yani to allocate ama kupeana. So sisi hapa hatuta assign kazi, tuna assign value. Una assign 10, 20, 15, x, y. That is what we mean by assigning. In our topic, we are talking about assignment operators. When you are talking about assignment, you are talking about variable, or you are assigning value to a variable. When we talked about variable, tulisema variable kuna declaring a variable and assigning a variable. When you declare is to announce, unasema uko na x, uko na y, uko na z. Kama hapa tuko na x. Alafu to assign value is to give value. Tumepeana hapa value of 20. So when you're talking about assignment, we are talking about variable assigning of value in a variable. X here is the left value, then 20 is the right value. Then we have the equal sign. The equal sign is what is assignment operator. Hiyo ndio tunaita assignment operator. Then data type is int, integer, that represents an integer. We said when we are declaring a variable, we start by giving the type of that variable. So here we have given a type as an integer. So the symbol that is in between the left value and the right value is what we mean by assignment operators. Assignment operators zinafanyanga kazi pamoja na arithmetic operators. Tulisema arithmetic operators ni kama addition, subtraction, multiplication. Hizo ndio zinaitwa arithmetic operators. Tumeshazisoma. Make sure umeenda kwa hiyo video ambayo tulisoma upate kujua mengi about arithmetic operators ndio tuweze kuenda pamoja katika hii masomo yetu. Sasa tumesema kuna kuanga na left value na right value. You assign the right value to the left variable. Sasa kuna left variable na kuna right value. So value inakuanga side ya right, then the variable is on the left hand side. Another thing that is very important, if you give a value, make sure that that value is the same as the data type you have given on your right side. Iku umepeana value kama hapa tumepewa value yetu ni 10.5. Hii 10.5 ni a decimal value. Ndio maana hapa kuna float. Tungepeana whole number peke yake kama 10, hatuwezi weka float hapa. So make sure this data type and the value you give, they go hand in hand. You are giving the right value for the right data type. We have two types of assignment operator, or assignment operator zimegawanyishwa mara mbili. Kuna simple assignment na kuna compound assignment. With simple assignment ni only equal sign. Compound kuna plus, equal, minus, equals, division equals, multiplication equals. So we are going to look one by one. Tutaangalia moja kwa moja. Tutaanza na ya kwanza yenye iko equal sign. Equal sign is the simplest assignment operator. Tunasema ni ile rahisi sana kwa sababu inatumia zile variable tuliongea juu yake. On your right you are assigning it to the variable on your left. Sawa. So the variable is A, then we have the value as 20. This one is the data type. Then here we have the value as Y, then we have the variable as CH. So this one is a character. That's why we are having the Y is a character. Ndio maana tumeiweka into single quotation mark. Then here we have Q and then we have 1.5F. 1.5 is a float, yani ni decimal number. Ndio maana hapa tumeweka float na tunaiassign kwa variable ya Q. The next one is addition sign and equal sign. Yani we are combining a plus and an equal sign. We are combining both signs together. This one states that you first add the value, then you assign the results to the variable. Kwa hivyo addition inafanywa kwanza, alafu kupeana ile value inafanyika baadaye. Kwa hivyo ni kama hapa tumepatiwa a plus equals to b can also be written as a is equals to a plus b. So first you add a plus b, then you assign the total to the a. Another example is x plus equals to 13. That is the same as saying x is equals to x plus 13. You first add x plus 13, then the answer you get from these two, you assign it to x. Let us look at now the example that we have. If we have b is equals to 5, we have here b is equals to 5 semicolon. This one is a variable that we have assigned value of b is 5. Then we are given b plus equals to 10. Can also be written as b is equals to b plus 10. So we have b is equals to 5 plus 10. So the value of b becomes is equals to 15. The next one is subtraction sign and equal sign. So we are combining a minus and an equal sign operator. This states that you first subtract the value, then you assign the results to the variable. If we have a minus equals to b is the same as a, yani tunaweza iandika kama a is equals to a minus b. Ukipatiwa x minus equals to 3 ni kama kuiandika kama x is equals to x minus 3. Kwa hivyo ile x tunaidouble kama hapa, inakuwa iko side ya ku minus na iko side ya equal sign. In our example we have y is equals to 10 semicolon. So if we are given y minus equals to 5, this one can be written as y is equals to y minus 5. So we are going to put y as 10 because we have y is equals to 10. So y is equals to 10 minus 5. So y will be equals to 5. So the answer of y will be equals to 5. We said that variable can change. We change variable during the execution of the program. Here we are given y as 10. But when we execute the program, run the program, the value of y will change to 5. The next one we have multiplication sign and equal sign. And we have the combination of multiplication and equal operators. So here we first multiply the value, then we assign the results to the variable. So we multiply, like here we have a times equals to b, can also be written as a is equals to a times b. You first multiply a times b, then we assign the value, the total we get here, to a. The same thing, we have x times equals to 10, states that x is equals to x times 10. So we first multiply x times 10, then we assign the total we are getting here to x. In our example, we have been given a variable of c is equals to 4. C times equals to 12 can also be written as c equals to c times 12. C is equals to 4 times 12, 4, because we have c as 4. So the total c becomes equals to 48. The last one, we have division sign and equal sign. This is we are combining the division and equals operators together. So we first divide, then we assign the results to the variable. So tuna divide, alafu tunapeana ile results tunaipeana kwa variable. Sasa tuko na a divided by equals to b can also be written as a is equals to a divided by b. Then we have here x divided by equals to 3. Tunaweza iandika kama x is equals to x divided by 3. If we are given a variable q is equals to 20 semicolon as our variable, then we have q divided by equals to 5. It can also be written as q is equals to q divided by 5. Then Then Q is equals to 20 divided by 5. This 20 is the original value of the variable. Then the value of Q will change to 4. So it will move from 20, the new value will be 4. So we will go to code block, we write this program so that we can see how assignment operators work. So we have already a program that is written. We are going to start by adding the variable, the original variable. So we will say int is equals to 10 semicolon. That is the variable. We have declared and initialized variables on the same line. Then we have the printf line down here. So we are going to change what is inside the printf line. Then we are going to say value of A is, then we put %D, then at the end we put comma, then A, then semicolon. Then we are going to copy, then we are going to write the calculation A plus equals to 10 semicolon. Then we're going to write again the printf here so that we can see the new value of A like that. Then we are going to copy these two, then we copy, we paste here so that we can change the equal sign. This one will be minus, this one will be minus sign. Then we copy again, then this sign will change to multiplication. Then we copy again, then this sign will change to division. Then we save our program, then we build our program. We see if there is any error. Yes, we have errors. Let's see where the error is. We try to change. We have said int is equals to 10, int A. We have forgotten the variable name, int A. Yes, so we can now save again, then we build again. So right now we don't have errors, 0 errors, 0 warnings. We now run the program. So when we run the program, we see value of A is equals to 10. So this one already we are given A as equals to 10. This is the assignment operator whereby we are just assigning A is equals to 10. Then we have the value of A again changes to 20 because the next one is A plus equals to 10. So we are first we add the value, then we assign the value. So we will add A plus 10. So A plus 10 it will be equals to 20. So A will change to 20. Then this one A will change. The next one is minus sign. So we have the minus sign. So the value of 20, the value of A changes from 10 to 20 now. So when we subtract 20 minus 10, we get it's equals to 10. So the value of A is 10. Then here we have A times equals to 10. So we multiply 10 times 10, which is 100. Then here we have division. We say 10, that's 100 divided by 10 because hapa tumemultiply imekuwa 100. Tukikuja hapa the value of 10 hapa ikuwa ni 100, tutakuja A is equals to 100 divided by 10, which is equals to 10. That's why we have the value of A as 10. So in our program, make sure you write the code correctly and so that you can get the best results. The value, these are the results that we get. The first one was 10, the value of A changed to 20, then 10, then 100, then at the last when we divided, we got the value of A as 10. Asanteni sana kwa kuona hii video yangu, mkumbuke kulike na msubscribe kwa hii channel.